Hello, and how are you, everybody? Coco Vula again at Coco Studios. We carry on broadcasting good and great news in spirituality concerning spells, muti, Bantu ways of magic. Amaga, the love bind. Love binding with a red, blue-haired tree lizard. Intando Qhimilili, Intulo, yezihlahla ezinkulu. Le ntulo le enekhandelibomvu enye inekhandelibomvu ihlala enqaba uzikhanda. Love binding with a red, blue-haired tree lizard. Amaga. Intando Qhimilili, Intulo yezihlahla yekhandelibomvu noma eliluhlaza. Amaga. The love binding with Amaga, the red or blue tree lizard, Intulo yekhandelibomvu neliluhlaza yezihlahla, is one of the best love binding spells that was discovered since the beginning of mankind. Amaga, the lizard, has a system of nodding its head. It moves and stops, then nods its head as it climbs the trunk of the trees. The nodding of its head to the binding system symbolizes agreeing with almost everything the binder will want this particular person to agree with or to do in particular. They live in a wide range of habitats, from tropical rainforest to savannah, even in areas with buildings. These species can often be found scaling the size of trees. In studies, they were found to inhabit big bushes, forests, and dead trees. They range across most of Central Africa down into South Africa, including Ethiopia, Kenya, Congo, Angola, and Namibia. You can find 12 different species of Amaga in South Africa and inhabiting the north of the country. Acanthocercus Atricollis being one of these. Most Amagas are polygamous. Males may hold 6 or more females in their territory for breeding. During courtship, the male moves up and down, boards, bubbles, jokes, and nods his head to impress the female. Occasionally, females initiate courtship by offering their hindquarters to the male and then running until he is able to catch up. Normally, a male displaying his colors won't be far away from several females. These lizards tend to live in colonies with one dominant male and a group of females and other subordinate males. The colors of the Amagas, in this case of the binding, symbolizes good looks and that catch the attention of the partner or whosoever the binding is directed to. The changing and the displaying of colors by the Amaga intrigues the attraction to person in the love binding spell system. It is not only with love attraction, but in other forms of binding for attraction in general as well. The love binding magic with Amaga, the red blue-haired lizard, I metamorphosize, change, transform, and transmit the loving energies, the nodding and the being game systems of Amaga, its fondness and the power of love to use it in humans' relationships and their passion to cause power, loving by muti and the spirits. The way and the level your partner must love you. Your partner must love you more than any god or gods would. The god and the gods loves many people, but that your person must love only you and enough to be crucified for you and over anything you may think of. That's love binding Amaga. Intando Qhimilili ngolimi lwesiZulu. Intando Qhimilili, Intulo yekhandelibomvu noma eliluhlaza. Love binding spell with a red blue haired lizard. Intando nemilingo yothando ngeqhimilili. Iqhimilili liyama bese liyanqabuza ikhanda, likhuphuke ngesihlahla lime njalo linqabuze ikhanda okomuntu ongenqabi lutho ovuma konke. Lokhu likwenza kakhulu ngezikhathi zokutholana ngokocansi nenkomazana. Likwenza lokhu lize lishintshe amabala alo omzimba. Linqabuza ikhanda livuma nje lisuke lizibonakalisa kwabesifazana balo, njalo libaheha ukuthi liyinkunzi ngempela, kanti likhombisa abesifazana ukuthi likhulu lona lingakwazi ukwenza konke kahle ngokubavikela. Liyeshela iqhimilili, liyacabuza nokucabuza. Ngesikhathi sokweshelana iqhimilili lisuke linyakaza, liya phansi naphezulu, likhukhumale njengoba ngichazile ngenhla. Liye lisondele kwelesifazane elisuke selime ngezinyawo zangemuva okomuntu, bese liyaphakama. Naleli lesilisa licabuze leli lesifazana okwabantu. Elisifazana liye likhombise ukwamukela ngokubaleka ngesikhulu isivinini, bese elesilisa lijaha leli lesifazana lize lilithole. Kusukeke lokho sekusho ukulungelana. Intando ngeqhimilili, bese sikuthatha thina abezemithi senze intando njengesifaniso bese kwenzeka kubantu. Kwenzeka kanjani kube sebantwini? Ngithwebula konke ukwenza kweqhimilili nenhliziyo yalo enkulu yothando, ngifungisele ngokwabantu, bese luba njalo uthando kubantu, lube mnandi, luqhubeke njalo. Ukunqabuza kwekhanda leqhimilili kubenze bavumelane noma ngayiphi into abangase bangavumelani ngayo. Lo osetshenziswe asondele, aphakame, uthando lwabo luphakame njengawo amaqhimilili intulo. Liyini iqhimilili? Kahle iqhimilili liwuhlobo thizeni lwesibangwa, umbangwa, intulo yezihlahla enekhanda elibomvu noma eliluhlaza, enemilingo yokwelapha ngokwesintu uma unolwazi lwalo. Isihlobo, fundani yonke lemibhalo engilithwebulela yona, niyilandele, niyabelane nabanye. Please, good people, subscribe, like, share, make comments on these videos. I thank you.
Isanga